lane fast, call it high speed.
Wow, I'm here with the fresh mangoes. Today I'm going to prepare some village style or maybe added with the city style, a mango recipe, a raw mango recipe. I don't know what I could name this, but I have so many ingredients here to mix it up. So let me help you to tell you what are the ingredients that I'm going to use to prepare this raw mango recipe. Are you ready to watch my video? So if you are watching, please comment, like and subscribe. So your likes would add more joy or more interest to prepare so beautiful videos. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned. Yes, first what I am going to do is I'm going to cut these mangoes. I have taken 2 mangoes. I cut them. I peel their skin. So their skins are too hard. So I'm going to peel their skins. I have peeled the mangoes. I'm going to add them to the fresh water so that I can rinse them thoroughly. Later, I'm going to cut carrot. Again, peel the carrot. Turn off. So again, I'm going to add this carrot to the fresh water to rinse, and I have here 6 chilies. Again, I'm going to add them to the fresh water so that I can rinse them. So let me rinse them thoroughly and get back to you. Let me take a mango, cut them into 2 pieces and take out the center part or the seed part because we don't need a seed. Yes, I've taken out the seed. Then I'm gonna grate this. So you can use whichever the shape that you want. So after grating this mango, I'm going to do the same thing with the carrot, or maybe one single piece of carrot is enough with carrot. So I'm going to cut chilies. I'm cutting in a different shape. So this is how we cut chili. So I'm ready now with my lot of ingredients. So let's see how these ingredients go with. So this is a corn scratch. I have a jaggery. I have chili flakes. I have little herbs, and I have chili powder. I also have the chaat masala, fresh tomato ketchup, dark soya sauce, and cold pressed sesame oil. I also have your grated mangoes, carrot and chili, and that's all. Now are you ready? Now let's go and watch how. So let me light the gas first and heat the pan or pot. This is a pot, so I'm going to use the earthen pot, which is really good, because these days people do not use this earthen pot, or they use aluminum or steel metal, which is not exactly good for the health. But anyway, so people are really going back to the universe, so using earthen pot. The pot is heated. I'm going to add oil. So I'm going to add oil as much as I need. I mean to say, don't add too much of oil. Add very little, which you need only for the purpose of frying all these ingredients. Stop now. I'm going to add few mustard seeds. So once the mustard seeds added, I'm going to add few cumins. Very few would be fine. Next, immediately I'm going to add chilies, green chilies. Let green chilies fry. Once the green chilies are fried, I mean to say not so much, very little would be fine. and if you feel they are fried, you can add mangoes or grated mangoes. Now it's time for us to wait for this mango to change its color, because it looks greenish now. Once you start frying, it changes its color. So as you are watching this video, please drop a comment from which part of the country or which part of the world you are watching, so that I can send a hug from India, that is from Karnataka. I'm just letting this mango to fry well. Feel, mangoes have changed the colors. Next you can start adding carrot immediately. Add carrots and mix it well. Carrot need not to be boiled or fried much. You can just later you can start adding our ingredients. First let me add this dark soya sauce, not too much but very little. I added little soya sauce. I'm going to add tomato ketchup, so I'm going to add few chili flakes, next very little chili powder, if you are a spicy lover you can add more. I'm preparing this one not for myself, so therefore I've added very little. I'm adding little herbs just for the taste, that's all, these herbs. Then I'm going to add a bowl of jaggery, a bowl full of jaggery. Yeah, this much is enough. Again, you can also see how much you want. If you like too much of sweet, you can add more. If you are not sweet lover, you can add very little. Later also you can add. Nothing to worry about adding sugar or a jaggery powder. You better use jaggery powder rather than sugar. I'm getting a delicious flavor or a fragrance. Now this is a corn scratch, maybe just to get the gravy thicker. I'm going to add this corn scratch. Once the corn scratch is added, you can see I'm adding little more water because I feel it is too thick. Little more water. Yes. And allow it to fry well. So next I'm going to add little chaat masala. Chaat masala is added, not too much, very little. Yes, my mango sauce is ready, and let me give a try how this tastes good or not, or yeah, let me try. Do you want to try? If you want to try, you can come to India or you can come to my house. I can prepare it for you. It's too hot, but fragrance is really yummy. Wow. It's seriously yummy. Thank you for watching, and let me catch you up in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.